This is Alan from Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. Beautiful day here in Maple Valley, Washington. I'm up on top of one of the roofs here. There's something I couldn't see from the ground, but once I started getting a closer look, we see underneath here, on the fascia here, where there's quite a bit of moisture intrusion. And the gutters seem to be okay. And of course we'll get a better look from the attic to see maybe where this water's coming from, possibly a flashing up above as well. But until you get a really close look sometimes, really difficult to find these. It's only been since '93, so yeah, not that long. Doesn't take long for this damage to occur. But anyway, this has been Alan from Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. I'll see you on the next one.